और this is online whiteboard. Today we will discuss. We are now going towards. We are now going
Okay.
towards perfect tense as well. Okay, perfect tense as well. Okay, so this is the perfect tense, present perfect tense. First we will discuss. For that, first of all, we should know about the endings of present to be. Yum, you, ye, and they, the, and the. Okay.
ओके सर, बोर्ड अभी
The
नजर
yum,
नहीं आ रहा।
स्क्रीन नजर नहीं आ रही?
जी
यह
अभी तक नहीं आया।
जब शुरू हो जाए तो फिर मुझे बता दे।
सर नहीं आ रहा।
अच्छा, थोड़ा सा वेट करें, मैं रीशेयर कर देता हूँ। अभी खराब आपको नजर आ रही है? सारा जी, सारा सारा
आवाज आ रही है?
जी जी,
बोर्ड नजर आ गया था।
बोर्ड नजर आ रही है अभी?
अभी नहीं आ रही। अभी इससे पहले आ रही थी, अब आ गई है।
ठीक है, ठीक है। अच्छा, तो ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस है। न्यू टेंस हम आज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। इट्स इजियर। ओके,
जी
सो इसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा प्रेजेंट टू बी टेंस की एंडिंग्स को। ओके, जयम, मुंग, यू, तई, तासो, ये, दा एंड हगा, दे, da and haga, da and we and hawi, di. Okay, these are the endings of present to be tense. Now, there are intransitive verbs. Intransitive, it doesn't require an object. Intransitive verb is that doesn't require an object. So in intransitive verbs, it's very easy. The Pakistan ta, Pakistan ta, Talayam. I have been to Pakistan. I have gone to Pakistan. Okay. The Pakistan
Okay.
Tataliyam. This A will be added. A with the infinitive. Okay?
Okay.
Go. Pakistan Taliyu. We have been to Pakistan. Okay? We have gone to Pakistan. So, Pakistan Taliyi. Have you been to Pakistan? Have you gone to Pakistan? The Pakistan Taliyi. Okay? Taso nan today. Nan mean today. Taso nan school Taliye. Have you gone to school today? Okay? So for intransitive verbs, this subject and this ending, they will match. The yum. Okay? Mung you. Ta ye. Taso ye. Okay? Haga. Haga. Afghanistan tatalide. He has gone to Pakistan. Afghanistan, sorry. Okay? Haga. Office tatalide. He's gone to office. Okay? So look at this. Haga and the match. Okay? Taso and ye, it match. When intransitive verbs, the conjugation will be according to the subject. According to the subject.
Subject.
Now comes transit. Yes. Subject of the sentence. Now comes the transitive verbs. Transitive verbs, it changed. Okay? The conjugation, it will be according to the object. Conjugation according to the object. And the will be changed to ma. Okay? Like the way it was in past tense, if you remember.
Ji.
Like this. I have eaten the meal. So eating, to eat is khwalal, infinitive. To eat. I have eaten the meal. Ma, rote, rote mean meal or bread. Breads. Khwalal, khwalali, da. Ma rote, khwalali da. Okay? Now, the ending has come according to the rote. Rote is feminine, so it also the comes at the end. It doesn't come according to the subject, which is ma and za. You understand, Sarah?
Ji, sir.
Ma rote khwalali da. Ma burger khwalal.
अगर ना हो
Ma burger khwalali. They. Burger is masculine, so they will come from these present to be in. Okay? Ma
Okay.
burger khwalali they. Now, it's something ma peanuts plural. Okay, peanuts Quarterly D. Because plural, so the plural ending will come. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Sarah, you do the next one. Which skull? Skull.
Ma uba skale de. सर आवाज आ रही है?
जी जी बोले।
Ma uba skale de.
Ma uba skale
De.
bar plural.
नहीं da.
Ma uba skale
de.
D. Look at this. How we D. They are.
Okay, okay, ठीक.
Uba is plural, that's why D will come. Uba skale D. Okay, how do you say I have drunk juice? I've drank
Ma
juice.
Ma juice kale de.
Very good.
Ma juice na skale de.
Huh?
अगर हम ना लगाएं कि नहीं पिया.
So how would you say?
Skale na di.
Skale na de. Ma juice skale na de.
जी.
Okay?
जी.
Ma juice skale na de. Okay, the next infinitive. Agashtal. No, I like another infinitive. It should be which
أخستل.
which one should I use?
أخستل.
Still, it means what?
Buy. To buy something.
Or to take. Now use it. I have taken the class.
ما class أخستل دي.
But Lena didn't take. But Lena have not taken the class. Lena has not. Sorry.
लेना खस्तले ना दी.
Yes. So Lena
दी.
class play Nade. Okay. Look at this. The ending doesn't come according to Lena. Lena is feminine. It is they because it's according to the class.
Class.
Okay?
जी.
It's according to the object of the sentence. Do you understand?
जी sir.
Ji. How do you say I have bought the clothes?
ما जामे अख्तले दे. अख्तले दी.
Jami. Yes, Jami is plural. That's why the come at the end.
Okay. ठीक है. सर दा कब लगेगा? दा. दा कब लगेगा?
प्लूरल के साथ।
वो तो दी लग रहा है ना।
नहीं, ये दी तो प्लूरल के साथ लग रहा है, फेमिनिन के साथ द लगेगा, सॉरी, फेमिनिन के साथ।
तो ठीक है।
यहाँ पर देखिए फेमिनिन के साथ द लग रहा है।
ठीक है सर, दा की भी एग्जांपल कराएं कोई।
Okay, look at this. Ma rote khwadale da. Rote is feminine. Okay? Ma rote khwadale da.
ठीक है।
Ma kapda akhistale da.
ठीक है।
Is feminine, okay? Ma kapda akhistale da. I
ठीक
have
है।
bought kapda. Okay, I'm now giving you another intransitive verb. Kenastal, to sit.
अच्छा, केनास्तल।
Kenastal. How do you say I have now, like, sit?
हा हा हा।
No, zo.
अच्छा, सा
Hmm?
किधर किधर आपने क्या बोला था, किस क्या करना है?
Kenastaliyam. I have sit now. Okay?
ठीक है, तो हम ता कब लगाएंगे?
जी?
ता कब लगाएंगे, ता?
Okay, so the like this.
जी।
Kinastali. You have said. Okay. तो
ओके।
चेयर बांधे on a chair. चेयर बांधे kinastali. Look at the endings. They are coming in linear with this subject because these are intransitive. Okay. तो चेयर
जी सर।
बांधे kinastali. Yes. मूंग मूंग चेयर बांधे kinastali you. Chair बांधे kinastali you. These are intransitive verbs.
ओके सर।
Okay,
ठीक है।
how do you say I have spoken Pashto?
ज़बख़्तो
I have
वाये
spoken Pashto.
ज़बख़्तो वातले वायल वायले वायले ज़बख़्तो वायले यम
Pashto Wayeleda. Not yam. It is transitive verb. It will
सर बता
come according to the
सर बता
Pashto.
तो दे दे। मैं अभी इंट्रांजिटिव में थी।
अच्छा, आपकी आवाज सही
हाँ
नहीं आ रही,
इसलिए
पता नहीं।
मैं इंट्रांजिटिव में समझ रही थी कि उसकी एग्जांपल है।
नहीं नहीं, ये ट्रांजिटिव की है।
ठीक है, वो तो फिर दा आएगा।
Next one.
Mung pashto na wajele da.
Pashto nada wayele. Wayele nada.
ठीक है wajele na da. ठीक.
We haven't spoken Pashto at all. Mung Pashto wayele nada. Okay.
ठीक. Okay.
You can say to me ta Punjabi wayele nada. We haven't spoken Punjabi. Okay.
सर नहीं बोल सकते आप.
No. A Punjabi wayele nada. You can say to me.
Okay.
You have. Okay. We haven't spoken Punjabi. Okay, so I'm summarizing the lesson for you, okay?
Okay.
It's very easy. First, we will use the present to be endings. Which endings? Present to be endings. Zayyam, mung, yu, tayi, tasu, ye, okay? Then in intransitive verbs, subject and the ending, they will come the same. The way they work in present to be tense. Okay? The Pakistan tataliyam. And the change which will happen, it is nothing more. Just add a with the infinitive. Just add a with the infinitive, nothing else in it, and just add a and present ending, present to be ending, and it will become present tense, perfect tense. Okay, the Pakistan tataliyam, mung Pakistan tataliyu, the Pakistan tatali, tasan school tatali, Afghanistan tatali, haga office tatali. Okay, kenastal is another intransitive verb. The kenastaliyam, the chair bandi kenastali, mung chair bandi kenastaliyu. Okay, then transitive verbs, conjugation will change according to the object. The will be changed to ma. Khwalal, when we eat something, so it is like the action is acted upon something. So it's a transitive verb. So look at that. Ma rote khwalal. Again the infinitive. Only add a. Khwalali. But this ending will come according to rote or burger or peanuts. Okay? The object. Ma rote khwalali da. So rote is feminine, so it became da. Ma burger khwalali de. Burger is masculine, so it comes they. Ma peanuts khwalali di. Peanuts are plural, so it comes di. Skull, to drink. Ma ubaskali di. So look at this. Skull is the infinitive, a come only. A comes at the end and it makes it present perfect. And uba are plural, so di come. Ma jus kalidi. Jus is singular and masculine, so that's why it's kalidi. Ma jus kalinadi. They're the same. Akhastal mean to buy or to take. Ma class akhastalide. Okay, so akhastal, only e is added to the infinitive, and class and they are like object, and the ending, they are coming with each other in parallel. Khulena class akhastalina de. Ma jami akhastali di. Jami are plural, so di comes. Ma kapla akhastalida. Kapla is feminine, so it da comes. Wayil mean to speak. Ma pashto wayilida. I have spoken pashto. So wayil is the infinitive. Only a comes added with. And pashto is feminine, so da comes at the end. Mung pashto wayil enada. Ta Punjabi wayil enada. So you got something?
जी सर.